The fall of the Berlin Wall. The Berlin Wall, erected in 1961, was a symbol of the Cold War and the division between East and West Germany. For nearly 3 decades, it stood as a physical and ideological barrier, separating families and friends and representing the divide between communism and democracy. By the late 1980s, the Eastern Bloc was experiencing significant political and social changes. In Hungary, the government began dismantling its border fence with Austria, which led to a flood of East Germans seeking to flee to the west. This put immense pressure on East Germany's government. On November 9, 1989, a fateful announcement was made. An East German government official mistakenly stated that travel restrictions would be lifted immediately. Thousands of East Berliners flocked to the wall, demanding to cross. Overwhelmed, the border guards eventually opened the gates, allowing people to pass freely. The scenes that followed were jubilant. People climbed the wall, chipped away pieces as souvenirs, and embraced long-lost relatives. The wall, once a formidable barrier, was now a relic of the past. The fall of the Berlin Wall was a pivotal moment in history. It marked the beginning of the end of the Cold War and led to the reunification of Germany in October 1990. The event symbolized the triumph of freedom and the human spirit's desire for unity. It remains a powerful reminder of the impact of perseverance and the quest for liberty.